So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte H110M-DS2 motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com, and this is search button, and after that enter your model number of motherboard like that H110M-DS2 and then hit enter. And click up the name of the title. Then click on the support. Select your operating system which is you using. Okay, so if you are installing this motherboard Windows 11, so no worry, Windows 10's driver you can install it. You need to download audio. So it is done, and then open, double click. So this is setup, find out setup.exe, double click to run, and then yes, and then next to install it, then close it. Chipset driver, this one, and click to download. And just open, double click to launch, click on yes. Now you can see this is installing. And then it is installed, close it. LAN driver, so LAN driver, and click to download. And click to open, and double click to launch, then yes. Now this is installing, so it is closed, means this is install it, and close. VGA, and this is VGA size, click to download. So it is done, and just open it, double click to VGA, and this is setup, so double click. After that click on yes. So this is coming error, so no worry, when you install it now, after that you can come this. Okay.